Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the battery bank in 7 days to die. So, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. So, to begin, first of all, we'll need to unlock the battery bank, and this can be done by researching 75 Wiring 101 magazines. This is going to unlock the tier 3 inside of the electrician, and we'll get the battery bank. We can also boost the load odds with advanced engineering, which can be found inside of the intellect skills, and just right here down below. Now, to craft it, just make sure you have a workbench at your hand, and here search for the battery bank. And all you need is some forged iron, electrical parts, and scrap polymers. Scrap polymers can be gathered by harvesting some tires. Electrical parts can be gathered from scrapping some lamps using a harvesting tool, for example like the impact driver or a wrench. And forged iron can be made inside of a forge by smelting some clay and iron and then crafting some forged iron. Now to use it, you'll need also a wire tool and some batteries, which you can get by scrapping some cars using a wrench or impact driver and placing them inside of these slots. Then you can just use the right click whilst holding the wire tool and connect it to something like a lamp using right click again, and then just turning it on is going to make sure the lamp is going to be powered by the batteries inside of the battery bank. To recharge the battery bank, you need to connect it with some other type of a generator, like the generator bank, which uses gas and engines. And once again, right click from the generator bank and right click secondly into the battery bank. And make sure the yellow lines are going towards the battery bank to charge it. And to start charging the batteries, just turn it on once again. And as you can see, the sell price is going to show us how much it is going to be charging. As you can see, it is slowly going up. So this is pretty much all. How to get and use the battery bank in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.